How to ensure your pets are cared for post-divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. When going through a divorce, many people worry about what will happen to their pets. While the law may treat them as property, we all know pets are part of the family, and making sure they're cared for post-divorce is a priority for many couples. First, decide who will have primary responsibility for the pet. This includes where the pet will live, who will cover expenses like food, vet bills, and grooming, and how decisions will be made about their care. If both parties want ongoing involvement, you can even create a shared pet custody plan, similar to a parenting plan. Next, put everything in writing. While California doesn't require a formal pet custody order, you can include pet care arrangements in your divorce settlement. This helps avoid future disputes and ensures both parties stick to the plan. We worked with a couple who shared 2 dogs. Instead of fighting over them, we helped them build a rotating schedule that included shared time and cost sharing for vet visits. It gave them both peace of mind and ensured the dogs stayed happy and healthy. At Divorce 661, we understand that divorce involves more than just dividing assets. It's about planning for every part of your life, including your pets. We'll help you create a thoughtful, practical plan for pet care that fits your post-divorce lifestyle. If you're concerned about what happens to your pets after divorce, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you protect what matters most, including your furry family members.